Good morning, class 8 students. Today I am discussing some important question answers from carbon. So let's start. First question. Prove that active charcoal has the power of adsorption. See the diagram first. I have given one diagram in index that proves that active charcoal is an excellent adsorbent. Now experiment. A tube having one end open is filled with ammonia gas and it is inverted into a vessel containing mercury. Now some active charcoal is heated to remove air and then cooled in a desiccator. This charcoal is introduced into the tube through liquid mercury. Soon mercury rises in the tube and almost fills it. Ammonia gets absorbed by the active charcoal and creates a vacuum that results in the rise of mercury in the tube. This proves that active charcoal has the power of adsorption. Next question. By experiment, prove that active charcoal has the power of decoloration and removal of taste. See the picture against it. Here I have shown the decoloration power of active charcoal. The color of teeth is changing from yellowish to white by the active charcoal. So now experiment. Some water is taken in a beaker and red litmus is added to it. The color of water is found to be red. Now some amount of active charcoal is added and stirred well. The solution is then filtered. It is found that filtrate water becomes colorless. So this is an experiment that proves that active charcoal has the power of decoloration. Now the next experiment. An aqueous solution of quinine is taken in a test tube. The taste of this solution is found to be bitter. All of us know. Some powder of active charcoal is added to the solution and shaken well. After some time, the taste of the solution is taken again. It is found that the solution is no longer bitter. So active charcoal removes the taste. This is the experiment that proves that the power of removal of taste of active charcoal. Next question. What is bone black? What is the composition of it? See the diagram. A bone black diagram is there. So answer, in a closed retort, when animal's bone is made to undergo destructive distillation, the black residue remained in the retort after the going of the volatile substance is called bone black. Now what is the composition of bone black? Bone black contains 10% carbon and the rest are calcium phosphate. Formula is Ca3PO4 and calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3. Next one. What is ivory black? Ivory black diagram also I have given. Generally it is used in kajal, for making kajal and other things. So in adding hydrochloric acid, calcium salt is dissolved and the black carbon of bone charcoal that remains is called ivory black. Question number 5. How blood charcoal is obtained? What are the uses of it? When blood is heated in absence of air, blood charcoal is obtained. See the diagram, you will understand. Now uses to purify sugar, animal charcoal is used in large amount. Ivory black is used in preparing the black picture color. Blood charcoal is used in research work. So these are the all over uses of animal charcoal that I have told. You have to find out the uses of blood charcoal from here. Next question. What is lamp black? First see the diagram. You have understood, hope so. The shaded portion of the wall, it's actually blackish in color That portion is called actually lamp black. What is this? In compounds like kerosene, petrol, diesel, benzene, turpentine, etc., containing carbon and hydrogen, the proportion of carbon is large. When these substances are burnt in less air, black smoke is produced. When this smoke is held on wet blanket, fine black particles are found to collect there. These particles are called lamp black. How it can be prepared at home? Lamp black can be easily prepared at home by holding an iron or a brush dish over a burning kerosene lamp. In the kitchen, near its roof, lamp black is found to deposit. These are also found to hang along with the spider's web. In common uses, they are soot. Now, next part of the question is mention its uses. Lamp black and soot are used in producing printing ink, black shoe polish, and black paint. Now, next question. What is coal stone? Coal lifted from mine is also called coal stones. Why different qualities of coal stones are obtained? Coal is used as fuel at home and in industry. Coal is formed from the buried wood through a various process of chemical transformation under geological pressure and temperature. During the different steps of this change, the content of carbon increases. So coal is obtained in different qualities. This is the reason. Now, what are the different types of coal? First, see the diagram. Anthracite, bituminous, peat, and lignite. There are four different types of coal that usually obtained from nature. So, the different types of coals are peat coal contains 60% carbon, lignite coal contains 70% carbon, bituminous coal contains 89% of carbon, and anthracite coal contains 94% of carbon. Now, next question. What does ash contain? Some ash remains after the burning of coal. It contains SiO2 compound, that is silicon dioxide, and basic substances like Al2O3, that is aluminium oxide, magnesium oxide MgO, and Fe2O3, that is iron oxide. Next question. What is the percentage of ash in low and high grade coal? The amount of ash is 25 to 30% in case of low grade coal like peat and lignite. It is only 5% in case of high grade coal. Why the use of anthracite coal as fuel is limited? Answer. Anthracite coal has a high ignition temperature, so its use as fuel is limited. Otherwise, maybe explosion occurs. Explosion may occur. Next one and the last question of this slide. What are the uses of coal? The coal obtained from mine is made destructive distillation. The coke is called hard coke. So what is the use of coal actually? Coal is used mainly as fuel. Besides this, by its destructive distillation, many important chemicals are obtained. These are coal tar, coal gas, gas carbon, and coke. Coke is used as reducing agent in the metal extraction. During destructive distillation, gas carbon deposits on the wall of the retort. Gas carbon is a conductor of heat and electricity, and so it is used in battery, electric fan, and arc lamp. Coal gas is used as fuel. 12. What are hard and soft coke? What is the use of coke? The coal obtained from mine is made destructive distillation. The coke is called hard coke and at low temperature distillation. The black residue obtained is called coke. At high temperature distillation, the coke is called soft coke and coke is used as reducing agent in metal extraction. Next question, what is dry ice? Question number 13. How it is prepared? What is its use? Carbon dioxide can be transformed to liquid under pressure, keeping it below 31 degrees Celsius. When this liquid is kept open in air under normal pressure and temperature, this vaporizes quickly. During vaporization, it takes the necessary latent heat from the rest portion. By losing heat, the liquid carbon dioxide is transformed to solid. This solid carbon dioxide looks as ice but more cold than ice. Its temperature is minus 78.5 degrees Celsius. Solid CO2 transforms to gas directly, taking heat, that is, it sublimes. Now, what is called sublimation? I am telling you that suppose an example I am giving, suppose camphor. From its solid state, it directly vaporizes. So, this is called sublimation, where one phase of matter, that is liquid phase, is absent. So, solid carbon dioxide doesn't weigh anything as ice. This is why solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. Okay? So, dry ice is used as refrigerant to make ice creams, in preserving fish and meat, and to create artificial rain. See the diagrams of soft coke, hard coke. I have given first diagram of question number 12 is hard coke. Second one is soft coke. And the first diagram is of question number 13 is, that is dry ice. Next question, mention the uses of carbon dioxide. Uses of carbon dioxide point wise you can write. So first one, the growth of plants depends on carbon dioxide. Second one, CO2 is used in the preparation of dry ice, used as refrigerant. Third one, CO2 is used to make good taste in drinks like soda, water, lemonade, etc. Number 4, carbon dioxide is used for extinguishing fire. Number 5, the gas is used to prepare washing soda, baking powder, urea, etc. Number 6, in case of gas poisoning, a patient is helped by artificial respiration using a gas mixture of 95% oxygen and 5% carbon dioxide, known as carbogen. See the second diagram. Against this question number 14, a cylinder type of thing is there, black colored. Half portion is black, more than half portion. That is actually carbogen. Now the last question, but not the least. Number 15. What is the mechanism of fire extinguisher? A CO2 fire extinguisher diagram I have given. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air, so it covers the fire sitting on it. Carbon dioxide doesn't burn, so the fire gets extinguished in absence of oxygen of air. So a fire extinguisher consists of a container having metallic wall. Sodium carbonate solution, that is Na2CO3 solution, is taken into the container. There is a gas bottle inside containing dilute sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. There is a metal knob with a rod under this bottle. When pressure is exerted on the rod, it hits the bottle to break. As a result, dilute sulfuric acid comes in contact with sodium carbonate solution, producing immediately a large amount of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide comes out forcibly through the nozzle. Reaction, obviously if this is 3 marks question, you have to write down the reactions along with the diagram. So Na2CO3 plus H2SO4 equal to Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate, plus carbon dioxide with up arrow plus water, that is H2O. Write all the question answers in your physical science exercise book. For any doubts or queries, please email me at sudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. Even you need to send your physical science assignments in this given email ID. So thank you students and have a nice day.